1. What did you have for breakfast? I had cereal and a cup of coffee. Cereal was so good and I often drink coffee after breakfast. 2. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I don't go to bed late because I want to keep fit. 3. How do you get to work or school? I take the bus because I love to use public transportation. If I am very busy, I will go by motorbike. It's faster than going by bus. 4. What's your favorite type of exercise? I enjoy going for a run. I often go jogging in the morning because it's good for my health. 5. What's your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is painting. I usually spend lots of hours drawing every day because I can express my feeling through art. 6. What's your go-to meal for dinner? I usually have grilled chicken with vegetables. Vegetables are good for health. It doesn't contain a lot of calories, but it gives a lot of vitamin C. 7. How often do you exercise? I exercise 3 times a week. I usually do exercise in the morning. That's a great time. 8. What's your favorite TV show? I love watching cartoons because it brings me back to my childhood. Cartoons are always fun and interesting. 9. Do you prefer coffee or tea? I prefer tea because coffee is a stimulant. When I drink coffee, I cannot sleep at night. 10. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Doraemon. This is a comic book, but I love it. It stimulates my imagination and creativity. 11. How do you relax after a long day? I like to take a hot bath and read a book. I feel so good when I take a hot bath, and reading books is my favorite pastime. 12. How often do you see your friends? I see my friends at least once a week. I don't often see them because I need to spend time studying or doing my work. But we keep in touch with each other via emails or Zalo. 13. What's your favorite type of music? I enjoy listening to pop music. I listen to it when I have free time. It's a great way to relax and enjoy life. 14. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat named Luna. I bought it years ago. It's very cute. 15. How often do you cook at home? I cook at home almost every day because it's clean and cheap, but it takes me a lot of time. 16. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is autumn because it's very cool. I love seeing falling leaves. 17. What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas. I usually spend Christmas with my family. This is a time for a big party and singing. 18. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I love Vietnamese food. Vietnam has the best food in the world. Most of the dishes are simple but delicious. There are a variety of dishes in every region. 19. How do you like to spend your weekends? I enjoy spending time outdoors or relaxing with a good book. Sometimes, I go traveling with friends or I have a picnic with my relatives. 20. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one sister. She is very lazy. I complain about her all the time, but she never helps with work, so I feel very angry. 21. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is King Kong. It's about a giant gorilla and his activities. I love this movie because the director is very creative and imaginative. The movie is very successful because it attracts a lot of viewers. 22. What's your favorite type of dessert? I love chocolate cake because when I eat it, I have a feeling of satisfaction and happiness. The natural substance in cocoa triggers the feelings of joy, well-being, and tranquility. 23. How often do you travel? I try to travel at least once a year. Traveling is the great way to explore new places. You have a chance to interact with many kinds of people. I don't travel often because I have no free time. 24. Do you enjoy going to concerts? Yes, I love going to concerts. Concerts bring people of different backgrounds together peacefully. Going to concerts give me a sense of connection and well-being. 25. What's your favorite type of weather? I enjoy sunny and warm weather. I can do outdoor activities such as jogging, mountain hiking, or cycling. If it rains, you can do nothing, just stay at home and watch TV. 26. How do you like to spend your evenings? I usually relax at home and watch TV or read. If you have free time at night, you have a range of things to do. 27. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't have any allergies. I can eat any kind of food. I always have good health. 28. What's your favorite type of fruit? My favorite fruit is strawberries. They are rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. 29. How often do you go shopping? I go shopping once or twice a week. I don't have much money, so I just want to buy some cheap items or groceries. Shopping is a great way to relax, and you always feel good when you go shopping. 30. What's your favorite type of art? I love abstract art. It uses visual language of shape, form, color and line to express the emotions of the artists. 31. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I find cooking relaxing and enjoyable. I often help my parents cook dinner so that they can save time to do other things. I think you should learn how to cook in order to help your partner when he or she is busy with work. 32. How often do you go to the gym? I go to the gym 3 times a week. I have workouts to keep fit. I think 3 times a week is suitable for me to keep fit. 33. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue because the sky is blue. When I feel sad, I often look at the sky and think about my life. Then, I get over my sadness and start thinking positive again. 34. Do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks? I prefer reading physical books because if I use a lot of gadgets, I feel tired. I have sensitive eyes and the doctor said that I shouldn't use computer for so long. That's why I prefer reading physical books. 35. How often do you visit your family? I visit my family once a month. I have to go to work far from home, so I don't spend much time for my family. I often visit my home on special occasions like Tet holiday or my friends' weddings in my hometown. 36. Do you enjoy going to the beach? Yes, I love spending time at the beach. I swim well, so I usually go there to swim with my family members. It's fun and fascinating. 37. How often do you drink water? I try to drink water throughout the day. I drink water every 2 or 3 hours when I feel thirsty. It depends on the weather. If it's hot, I drink more water. 38. What's your favorite type of shoe? I love wearing sneakers. It's fashionable and it suits my hobby because I love playing sports, especially football. So, wearing sneakers is my best choice. 39. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I find gardening therapeutic. It's a time for you to do outdoor activities and it can improve your health. I love gardening because I want to immerse myself into nature. I want to have green trees around my house. 40. What's your favorite type of flower? My favorite flower is a rose. Roses stand for love. If you give your girlfriend some roses on special occasions, she will be very happy. Roses help make beautiful decorations. 41. How often do you watch movies? I watch movies once or twice a week. When I have free time, I often take my girlfriend to the cinema. That's the place for me to watch my favorite movies and enjoy my life. 42. Do you enjoy going to museums? Yes, I love exploring museums. There is something historical in museums, and when I go there, I can learn a lot about history and nature, and I get a range of knowledge and information about historical items. 43. How often do you go for walks? I try to go for walks every day. Walking is the best way to stay fit, especially for those who don't find time for exercising. It also helps me reduce anxiety and fatigue as well. 44. Do you enjoy going to art galleries? Yes, I find art galleries inspiring. There are a lot of pictures in art galleries. 45. How often do you listen to music? I listen to music every day. It's a big part of my life. I help me relax and forget sadness or worries.